What's the meaning of clearway? Clearway. Clearway.
Clearway. Clearway. A clearway is a section of road where stopping or parking is prohibited to ensure smooth traffic flow. Vehicles found parked in a clearway are usually subject to fines or towing. Clearways are often designated on major roads near airports, ports, and other high-traffic areas to allow for the uninterrupted flow of vehicles. The ultimate goal of clearways is to reduce congestion and improve safety. By preventing vehicles from stopping or parking on a section of road, clearways help ensure that traffic moves smoothly and efficiently.